so yummy, delicious. If you eat that, it will be like a cake. 3 eggs. Crack 1 egg. Second egg. Put it in a bowl. Second egg. And third egg. Now 9 spoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. Now you mix it well. Ingredients should mix everywhere. 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Now mix it well. Now add melted butter. 7 tablespoons. Now you mix it well. 3-4 cup of milk. Mix it well so it will be like fluffy. Now 1 cup of maida and 1/2 cup of maida. Now mix it well. Mix it fast. So now 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Mix well. Mix it. Now separate 2 bowls. And pour the mixture into the 2 bowls. It should be equal. Now add strawberry syrup 2 spoons and mix it. Now mix it well. Now take chocolate syrup and mix it. You can put so much. Now you mix it. Mix it well. Now take a pan and put your delicious pancake. Small. If you like to keep big pancakes, you can keep. Now put the lid and wait for 2 minutes. Flip all the mini pancakes. Now you can see how it is. Now you take in a plate and put that pancakes. Now take strawberry pancake, same how you did for the chocolate one. Keep roundly. If it didn't came roundly, it's okay. Keep it. When you are flipping it, you can see little bit of brown. Now put the lid. Next you take the lid and flip it. See, you can see the brown, right? Don't keep still long in the pan, otherwise they'll become so much of brown. Now put the vanilla one. Keep it nicely. Now same, you keep the lid. You guessed it, we need to flip. It's white, so it'll be. Colorful pancakes are ready to eat. It is a snack item. You can put honey or chocolate syrup or strawberry syrup. Like, share, don't forget